back to our channel.
Welcome back.
David R&J.
David R&J. Anyways, this video will be about unboxing. We just got this package from Amazon. We want the shipping for Amazon Prime.
Of course.
And we ordered it what, Sunday, and it came Monday?
No.
When did we order? Saturday.
I think Friday. Friday or Saturday last week. And then it came Monday.
And it came Monday?
Yeah.
Not bad.
That's Prime.
But anyways, let's unbox. Let's get right to it.
Yep. Oh, sorry about my hair.
We just got back from shelter.
Slowly because our camera is moving. See?
Stop hitting it.
Wow. Look.
Ooh.
See? Look at that. Yeah, just put it there. Good job.
Bubble wraps.
Mm-hmm.
So basically what we ordered is a cooler bag.
Yeah, it's cooler.
It is called the Hap Pim. Make best bag, enjoy happy time.
Because one of our friends show it to us, and we're supposed to buy one for fishing, but we didn't get a chance to look.
I was gonna buy one of those solid coolers for fishing, like a small one.
But
But
this
then
one,
our friend Nina said she bought one online. It's called Hap Pim. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hap Pim. It looks backward, but I guess when we watch the video, it's not backwards, right?
no.
Okay, Hap Pim. It folds to easy storage.
Our phone is moving.
Comes with a flat inside.
I think that's for the bottom, eh?
Yep. I don't want to break it because it's not flat. But anyways, this is what it looks like on the inside. And supposedly it fits 48 canned beers.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good. And it stays cold for how long?
I
Do
don't
you
know.
remember?
There's a paper in it?
No, it didn't come with paper. Wish it did, at least so we can tell you guys what the specs are. Right?
Mm-hmm. I think it's on my phone.
Excuse me. I think when I unboxed it, there's a bunch of dust that came out. Just kidding. But anyways, it's a zipper. It goes all the way around. There's two. There's also a top part. So instead of opening the bag, you just grab your can or beer. It's nice and cold.
Mm-hmm.
Just fill it up with ice and you're good.
Yeah.
So I will leave it in the description below of what kind of bag it is, and maybe I'll give you guys a review after we use it, and I guess we'll be back.
And it goes with how many colors or what colors?
They come in blue, they come in gray, and this is supposed to be black. It looks gray, but it's like smoke black. But this is supposed to be black, supposedly.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what else to say. They come with two handles. Just like that. Oh, and it comes with a bottle cap opener. Forgot to mention.
Oh, cool. And also here, when
Top?
on the top,
I mentioned that already.
you mentioned it already, and also the phone. That you can put the phone here. Alright, storage. And also it's easy.
Not bad.
It's easy storage as well.
How much did you buy it for again? 40 something?
Yeah, it's $40 something.
40 something dollars, but we will leave it in the description below. So that's it. We haven't tried it yet, but
We'll
we
try
will let
it.
you know
We'll try
once
it
we do.
tomorrow.
Alright?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
See you guys again.